Mayuka's Crafts here. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this greeting card. So you can open it like this and then you can write anything over here. So to make this greeting card you will need any designer paper, cut it into a circle and keep it in any measurement that you want. Then any colored paper, glue, scissors, a pencil and a scale. So let's see how to make this. First we're going to take this paper. Now we're going to fold it in half. Then fold it into 3 triangles like this. After you fold it, make the curve a little deeper on the side. So you're going to cut out this new curve. So after you cut it, it should look like this. Next we're going to open it up, and now you have these bends all around. So you're going to take each bend and fold it to the center like this. So after you're done bending all the 6 edges to the center, you're going to get some creases that will look like a hexagon. So like this. So now you can see there's a small hexagon over here. So now what we're going to do is take the scale and from the center, keep it to the center and fold it like this, just to get a crease on the curves. The opposite curves, there should be one straight line like a crease. So make that for every curve. Through the center, this line should pass through the center like this. Now you're going to get few creases and you can see these triangles on the borders. So now what we're going to do is take this folded half, and the last fold that you have, it should touch this side. So you have to fold it like this. So it will look like this. It should be right here. Next, take the other C's and fold it again in the same way, touching this edge. So when you open it, it will just come like this. Same with the next one. Take the last edge and make it come to the side like this. Again, the last edge, fold it to the side and make a C's. So now in the last, after you're done doing 5 flaps, it won't look proper. So for this you have to take this out . So you have to take this out and fold this outward. So it should look like this. So if you see any of these inside parts visible, you can just mark them and cut them out. So this is how your thing should look. Next you have to open it up. And as I told you, you will get a small hexagon over here. Just put that on this paper. So just fold it back. Like this. So going to fold it back and trace this hexagon onto the paper. So now you get this hexagon and you have to cut this out. So once you're done cutting, you should get this hexagon that exactly fits in the center of this. So now you're going to take your glue and stick this hexagon in here. So make sure you place all the edges correct. So this is how it should look. So from the outside it looks like this, and when you open it you have some wishes written. So you can write anything like happy birthday or best wishes, anything that you like. Now this looks too much plain, so to make it more decorative you can make it like this one. So you can put beads on every single flap, and also take two opposite flaps, and on the inner side of the flap you're going to punch a hole, take a ribbon, get it through and just tie a knot. So now you can just pull the threads to open this thing, and then you'll have your wishes inside. If you want you can decorate these areas also, but I thought this was enough. So this is how it should finally look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. See you then. Bye. So this is the answer to the previous puzzle. So 7 minus 3 is 4, 4 minus 2, 2, 2 into 4, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 minus 2, 14, 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. This is the next puzzle. So these numbers are written in a particular sequence. So you just have to find the next number in each of these. So let's see who can get the answer.